Welcome back, my friends. Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming. On this channel you'll find PC components, tech gadgets and console accessories, as well as product reviews and unboxings just like this ones. If you are interested in that, consider subscribing, guys. In this video we are gonna do an unboxing on the all-new SteelSeries Rival 600, and with that said, guys, let's dig into it. Alright, formerly known as Ice Mat, in the past SteelSeries did mouse pads made of frosted glass. A lot of people have been praying for a return of those mouse pads. It is gonna be interesting to see if that happens or not in the near future. Anyway, this is the Rival 600, which is the latest mouse in the Rival family. This series is most popular among the FPS gamers. Now, what makes this mouse shine is first and foremost its dual sensor, the TrueMove 3 Plus, which is a sensor SteelSeries have been developing together with Pixart. It's a development of the original PVM 3360, which is a highly popular sensor for gamers. Now, what else do we got? Yeah, we got RGB, obviously. Now, the other sensor is there to measure the lift-off distance. More on that in the upcoming review. Now, looking at the form, it looks a lot like the rest of the Rival family with a few differences. For example, the highest point of the mouse has been moved a bit towards the middle of the body, if that makes sense, compared to the previous Rivals where the highest point would be found on the very end of the body. The result is that it's going to feel a bit different in your hand. What else? Yeah, we got rubberized side grips on each side of the body, so it shouldn't be a problem getting a decent grip even if you lift it up. We'll see about that. But you know what, guys, there's no time to waste here. I'm actually starting to sweat again, so that means it is time for the unboxing, believe it or not. God damn it, I am psyched. Alright, so let's see. Rise up, we don't play games to escape reality, we play to rewrite it. Alright, well, that makes a lot of sense. Whether you win, lose or rage quit, that's all on you. But remember, the reality is not a limit. Good luck, have fun. Whoa! God, look at that! Look at that. Alright, now let's see if I can grab this. Oh! Wow! It's actually not that heavy. I gotta say, I was expecting a lot heavier mouse. God, we really got some decent buttons here. Well, it feels good in my hand. That's all I can say. Now, these side buttons should be detachable. Yes, they are. And this is where the weight system comes into place. Are these magnets? Wow. Oh, that's so cool. What else do we got? What else is inside the box? Let's keep digging, guys. Let's keep digging. We got the Bible here. All right. Save that for later. Here we go. All right. I guess this is where the weights are. Yes, we got a cord. Believe it or not braided. That's kind of weird. That's not whoever gonna change my mood. So this is the box where the would it be wrong to say the magic happens? I can't even open it. This is gonna take forever. You know what? I'm gonna save that for the review. Do we have a mouse pad? Yes, we actually do. Look at that. God damn it. You have to look at the RGB, right? It wouldn't be a... God, this cord is the longest cord I've ever seen, I think. It's gotta be at least 2 meters. At least. The moment that we've been waiting for. Let's see if we can get some fire. Let's see if we can get some lights. Let's see. Come on. Come on, come on. It would be a lot easier if you ordinate the cord the right way. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's do it. Boom. There we go. Oh, look at that. Alright, some sort of RGB cycling going on right now. God, it feels good in my hand. It feels really good. So we got 3 buttons on the side. 2 buttons on the top and an additional that sets the DPI, I assume. Now guys, more details about this mouse can be found down in the description. And yeah, that's it guys. Expect a full review within the next upcoming days or so. I am psyched. I cannot wait to start digging into and start testing this mouse. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My name's Robin on Chips Media. Until next time guys, have an awesome day, alright? Bye!